Law enforcement officials have faced calls to find new resources and ways to handle critical situations, including those involving mental health.
Yeah, Volusia County is getting some help with that, all thanks to a donation that would help connect people in crisis to someone who could meet their needs. All new at 5:30. News 6's Lauren Korn shows us how the department is making it happen.
You got everything to care about.
We're dealing more and more with people who are in mental crisis.
This video from 2018 is one of several examples of why the Volusia County Sheriff's Office says it's partnering with SMA Healthcare, a private nonprofit agency that specializes in behavioral health care and substance misuse.
While you were out here talking to you.
The two agencies have launched a pilot program that connects mental health care professionals with people in crisis, right when a deputy gets this type of call.
I'm going to come to the door. It's only you.
FP&L donated a $10,000 check to the Sheriff's Office and SMA Healthcare on Thursday to buy 12 iPads for supervisors to make that connection happen.
We think the decision is made that they need to speak to a licensed professional. For time constraints, you can just get the person to do a Zoom call on the iPad and hand the iPad to the person in crisis or hand the iPad to the family member, and then we can get a plan together where we may not even have to show up or we don't have to go in and use force.
Sheriff Chitwood says having background information right at their fingertips will help de-escalate a situation.
Some of the things we need to know is that person in crisis may not like uniforms. Well, there are things to know because that will structure our response.
We're in a solution-focused mode.
Dr. Rhonda Harvey, CEO of SMA Healthcare, says the program will have her staff intervene before crisis escalates. That sometimes lands a person in jail where she says is the wrong place for them to be.
Our goal is to really be able to take that warm handoff from law enforcement, let them get on their way with safety patrols and doing everything that they do to keep us safe, and then let us take the individual or their family and work with them to really have a more favorable outcome.
The pilot program will start next year in Deltona, and if successful, Sheriff Chitwood says it will be implemented throughout the county. In Volusia County, Lauren Korn, getting results, News 6.